Hello children, welcome to Smart and Fun Kids TV YouTube channel. Hi Science Stars! Want to make your very own volcano that fizzes and bubbles like magic? Stick with me till the end, this one's gonna blow your mind! Hi Science Stars, I'm Dr. Spark, and today we're going to make something that goes kaboom in a fun way. We're building an erupting volcano! Are you ready? Let's go! To make your own mini volcano, you'll need 1 small plastic bottle baking soda, about 2 tablespoons, vinegar, half a cup, red food coloring, dish soap, a tray or a big plate, paper mache, clay, or Play-Doh to shape your volcano. You can also ask an adult to help you set up. Let's turn this bottle into a volcano. Use clay or paper mache to build a mountain shape around it. Leave the top open like this. Now we're ready to make it erupt. First, put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, a few drops of red food coloring to make the lava look real. Now add a squirt of dish soap for super bubbly lava. And finally, the secret ingredient, vinegar. Whoa, look at that lava go! So fizzy, so fun! Science time! When baking soda, a base, mixes with vinegar and acid, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas gets trapped in the soap and bubbles out like lava. That's chemistry, kids! And don't worry, it's just a chemical reaction, not a real volcano. Safe and super cool! Now it's your turn. Try adding glitter to your lava, or build a bigger volcano. Ask an adult to film your eruption and leave a comment in our comment section below. Thanks for joining me on today's science adventure. Don't forget, science is all around us. Until next time, stay curious and stay fizzy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the like button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.